What's up, guys? We're gonna be talking about three stocks today, one being Lucid. So if you like Lucid, stay tuned. The second one being a stock called DNA stock, which I've been covering a lot of. And the third stock being lazr, Luminar Technologies. If you're a fan of any of these stocks, stay tuned. Don't forget to drop a like. I would always appreciate that. If we can get this over 200 likes, that would be absolutely amazing. Don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. Had way too much coffee today, but let's get right into this video right now. I'm gonna be going over the charts. I'm gonna show you exactly that I called out all of these trades and show you exactly where I think they could be going next. Of course, none of this is financial advice. You already know this. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own opinion. You gotta do what's best for you at the end of the day. First, let's talk about Lucid stock. Yesterday at 5:35 a.m. You know I wake up early. I like to make super early posts on the Patreon. By the way, if you want to join the Patreon, a couple spots opened up for $7 a month. There's only like 2 left, and then the rest are at $10 a month. So join down below if you want access to the private Discord, over 168 active members. And if you want to learn more information just like this, I make it super easy because it should be easy. So I said this before market open, Lucid is up 10% since I said it was a buy at 632. Now I said 632, the next 2 days it ran 7-8% and then it crashed down below 6. So if you bought the dip, congrats to you. But still, even if you bought at 632, you should be in profit right now. And if you took this trade, this is exactly what happened on Friday. Be aware of the 618 level on fibs, $7.12. Stocks tend to reject from here, and there is a massive open gap that closed at 786 level at 753. That would be a 90% gain, expect resistance. So what I was saying was at 618, expect resistance. There could be a pullback, but if we push through that, we could get to $7.53, which is the 786 level, which also is a strong level of resistance. We also noted that the RSI is entering 59, where it has sold off before, and the stochastic is very high on the daily time frame. Never be greedy, do what's best for you. So let's look at what happened on Friday. So you can see on Friday, we hit highs of $7.16. Now I said to sell at $7.12, so I'm not perfect, but around that ballpark, and this is exactly because we hit the 618 level, exactly what I thought could happen, and then we ended up closing the day at $6.90. So congrats to you if you ended up selling that, if you're part of the Patreon, but this is how simple I make it, right? And I do live videos explaining the RSI, stochastic, Fibonacci's, just so you can start to understand how to trade stocks, especially good companies. I like Lucid, it's an EV company. I haven't really dove deep into it. That's not what my channel is for. I'm not gonna be covering Lucid. Just wanted to show you one of the things that we did with Lucid stock this last week. Let's talk about a stock called DNA now. 5 days ago at 4:06 a.m. in the morning, I posted this. DNA should bounce soon. Riskier company, but trading within these yellow trend lines. I'll show you the charts in a minute, everyone. RSI at 50, RSI making higher lows, currently at $1.69. See if it holds 158. So I was expecting a pullback, then could buy in at the 50 on the fibs, which was 158. Then the 618 at the 146. So if it broke 158, we were expecting to go to 146. 158 was a great buying opportunity. You could see as of Friday, which was 5 days later, we closed at $1.86. And you can see we dipped exactly at 158. Well, actually, we technically hit 156. So I was right there again, and then we completely ran, and we have closed above basically the 618 level. You can see on the fibs right here, but we had some resistance. So we got as high as $1.92. So if you would have taken that trade at $1.58, let's say, and you would have sold at any point, you would have made anywhere from 17 to 20% return on your investment, right? So we keep it simple. RSI, stochastic, Fibonacci's. I teach even more in depth in the Patreon, of course. Now let's talk about this last stock. It's one of my favorite stocks recently, LAZR. I like the CEO. He's invested his own money into his own company, which every CEO should do, in my own opinion. But let me show you this. Now, I've been covering this stock for probably a couple months now, and I posted this yesterday at 5:30 in the morning, held the yellow line for support, strong move up like expected, look for $7. Next, that's the 618 level, but sell target is green line at 846. That's a 23% move up from here. Now, let's see what happened on Friday. So on Friday, we actually hit $7. Just kidding, we hit about $7.03. So I was right there again. It was the 618 level, and then we bounced down and we ended up closing at $6.88. So again, we keep it super simple. I do also go over stocks that I'm very bullish on in the long term, but if you're looking for little trade setups like this and you wanna learn the basics, $7 a month, there's 2 spots left. Once those are taken, it's $10 a month, so get in while you can. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, drop a like, that's free. I always appreciate that. You can also join the YouTube channel. Just go to the Elite, click join, press Elite, and you get access to all this as well, just like the Patreon. Till next time, guys, have a good one.